Hi, and a very warm welcome to day 14. My name is Gaia, and we're doing a 30-day evening Yin Yoga challenge where we're practicing yoga for 30 consecutive days. Now, if you just stumbled upon this video and want to do this practice on its own, that is perfectly fine. However, if you want to join us for the full 30 days, I will link everything down below. Now, today we will be using a prop. Whoops, I just knocked the prop over. So make sure to either have a yoga block ready, a yoga bolster, or even regular pillows works just fine. And we need it for our first pose, which is a supported bridge. So make sure that your prop is within reaching distance and make your way onto your back. First, just allow yourself to settle onto your back. Feet are hip distance apart, knees are facing the ceiling. And then grab a hold of your prop, press into the feet, lift up your glutes, and place the prop underneath the pelvis. You can use the first level or the second level, whichever works best for you. Make sure that there is no compression happening in the low back. What we're looking for here is support and a nice gentle inversion. You can bring your arms down by your sides with the palms facing up. And we'll be here for a few minutes, just breathing nice and deep. Begin to deepen your breath. And when you're ready, press into your feet, lift up the hips, and remove the prop from beneath you before rolling very slowly back down to your back. Take a second once you arrive. And then hook your left ankle over your right knee. And if this is already enough, to just give the intention of pushing your left knee outward, then you can remain here. If you want to move a bit deeper into this pose, spread your arms and grab yourself either behind the thigh or around the shin and bring your legs in, sleeping swan for a few minutes. Make sure that your left foot is flexed here to protect the knee. Just keep the intention of that knee moving away from you even as you bring your legs closer in. And give your legs one more squeeze closer to your body. And then gently release and reverse out of the pose. Take a breath. And we'll do the same on the other side. Cross your right leg over the left, flex at the ankle, and you can either remain here, and this is already perfectly fine. You're opening up your hip, or if you want to, you can thread the arms and bring those legs closer in. You decide the intensity, you decide where you want to hold yourself. Just choose something that allows you to relax even in this slightly more demanding pose. Give your legs one more squeeze here. And then slowly release. Again, you can take a second here. Take a nice, nourishing breath. Before making your way into Savasana, so extending the legs long, bringing your arms down by your side with the palms facing up. Make sure that your chin isn't flying towards the ceiling. Just bring it in a little bit to lengthen the back of your neck. And then allow yourself to really settle here. Integrate the practice and enjoy a few more moments with yourself. If you have perhaps drifted off somewhere, just gently return your awareness back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Maybe do a no motion with your head, so just rolling the cheekbones from one side to the other. You can take a nice deep stretch if that feels good. And when you're ready, roll onto one side first. Before using your arms to press yourself back up into a seat. Take any seated position that feels best to you right now. Place your palms together and the heart in Anjali Mudra and close your eyes. And as you close your eyes, just tap into the day that you've had. And as that connection unfolds, see what comes up for you as something that you can be grateful for. Maybe celebrate something that you can be proud of or appreciate. Just see what comes up and allow yourself to dive deeper into those feelings. Connect deeper. Let them spread through your entire body with every breath we'll take together right now in silence. I want to thank you so much for practicing with me, and I will see you again tomorrow. Thank you.